Hello, everyone. Today, Tools and Tech Thursday. A brief look into why bending development fails and what type of outcomes it can create. Here, top three reasons for bending development failures. In my experience, the most typical reason is the bending mold, also known as skeleton design related issues. For example, insufficient class support, wrong ring size, lack of additional tooling features. The second one, heating resid management. Typically, I see excess heat being used, issues with positioning of the infrared heating, or too complicated heating recipe configurations. Last but not least, it's the annealing conditions. Again, excess temperature, tooling design hindering the annealing, and last, furnace capabilities, which might be limited or there's a limitation within the operational capabilities. Now, looking at the root causes at high level, individual process challenges can create a number of quality issues, not to mention if we have several to begin with. A poor mold design can result to a simple pre-bending breakage and even have a direct link with lamination defect visible only after autoclaving. The challenge is that once quality issues start to pile up, possibly leading to inability to deliver product to the customer, the pressure to bandage process shortcomings takes over. The bandaging can be risky and usually does not yield to desired results, but begins quickly to chip away margins as no value-add bandage-type applications are used, immediately leading to low yield and potentially later on costly client reclamations. This is it for today. Remember that most challenges can be solved if you have the right resources available, subject matter expertise, and hands-on experience. That's where we can support you. Follow me to learn solutions, tips for these and other class processing related challenges. My name is Mika Eronen. Thank you for watching. Wishing you a great day.